friends, I am making videos related to fashion, makeup and lifestyle. Summer is here and I just love this season, so I can wear a lot of kurtis, plazos, dupatta. Like, I love Indian clothes, and you guys always ask me about online shopping, boutique, especially in Kuwait, because from India, if you are taking from India, like any site, they are taking lot of delivery charge, especially if you want in Kuwait. So finally I found a very good boutique, like trendy, fashionable boutique for you, and I just got lot of products. I'm so excited to tell you about this boutique and their range and their prices and their customer service. Everything is so awesome. That's why I'm telling you. If I don't like anything, I will not tell you ever, because you guys are everything for me. And I'm going to do a lookbook for you. This is try on haul, so you will enjoy a lot. And so let's start this video. So the name of the boutique is Apps Boutique. This is the Indian boutique. They have amazing collection of kurtis, dupattas, anarkali, maxi dresses. They have amazing trendy pieces, but they only deliver in Kuwait. It is an online boutique, so you can order online. They have a site, they have a Facebook page, they have amazing rating on Facebook and Google. You can check their page, you can check on Google, you can check on Facebook, and you can see all the pieces on Google and Facebook. So you can see the pieces, you can ask their question. Their services are amazing. Now, whenever we are talking about online store or online shopping, we always thought about the delivery charge, because I don't like to pay any coin for delivery charge. Like, I hate to pay on delivery. So this is the main reason that I'm making this video. If you are taking anything from India, you have to pay a lot of money on delivery charge, but on this boutique you are not going to pay any single coin. Like, delivery charge is zero. You are not going to pay any single coin for delivery charge. So this is the amazing thing what I like. There's COD available, cash on delivery. You can ask multiple pieces, then you can choose only one or two, and there's no service charge, there's no return charge, nothing. You can take your cash back if you don't like any piece. So there's nothing to worry about when you're shopping on that site. So the prices are very affordable, like same like India. So if you are getting pieces at your home, you can save your time, you can save your petrol, you can save your diesel, because they have website, they have Facebook page, they have WhatsApp. So I order on WhatsApp. I just take a screenshot on Facebook and I just order, like, I love this piece and please send me that piece. So I love WhatsApp number. This is so comfortable for me. The main thing is, if you are going to purchase for 20 KD, you will get a free kurti. So this is amazing. I got my free kurti. I purchased more than 20 KD. Free kurti kisko nahi chahiye? Please come on. Now I will show you my haul and my lookbook. So let's start. Now the first piece is this. This is the anarkali suit. It has amazing embroidery and I love this color. It is perfect for this summer. Amazing length. If you're taller than me, then also you can wear that. And the fitting is so good, because I always had a problem in fitting, especially in anarkali pieces. They don't fit me, and this finishing is so good. You will not find any thread or anything anywhere. So I love this finishing, because I don't like if the thread is coming or the fitting is not good. So I don't purchase those kind of pieces. The fitting should be very good, and the material of the suit is synthetic, and the price of the product is 10.9 KD. I paid 10.9 KD. Now second piece is this green one. It has amazing embroidery and the fabric is synthetic, and still it is not that transparent. So I love this piece, and the price of the piece is 9.9 KD. Now third piece is this one. This is my most favorite piece. Now it is so ongoing piece, and I love this color, I love this fabric, and I love this style. I can style this shrug like in so many ways. And the price is 6.2 KD. So this is so affordable, I can tell you. Now after that I order this maxi dress. I love this piece. This is so comfortable, I can tell you. in my pieces, all my pieces, this is the most comfortable piece I got, and I love this fabric, I love this color combination, and the price of this piece is 5.9 KD. So they have amazing collection in silk suits also. So I ordered 2 pieces. One is blue, one is red, but I choose red one. And red, the fabric is so good. The fitting, again, this is so good. And the price of the suit is very affordable. It is just 4.750 KD. So I ordered a lot of silk pieces. I will just show you that one. And this is the full suit with dupatta and with churidar. So this is the piece. I didn't do a lookbook for that because I'm not going to take this one, but it has amazing quality with border and this embroidery. You can see the embroidery. Comes with the dupatta and the churidar. This is the dupatta, this is the dupatta, and this is the churidar. The quality of the product is again very good. I will tell you the price because it is a full suit like with dupatta and churidar, so the cost is 12.5 KD. After that I ordered this piece. This is in XL size, XL. My size is L and XL. This is like tissue silk. The fitting and the floriness of the piece is so good, and the price of the suit is just 6.7. So I think I'm going to take this. I just love this piece. I just love this piece because that fitting and color and embroidery, everything I love. After that I choose some casual one also. So one is red one and second one is blue one. I love both the pieces. The prices are quite different. This one is 4.7 and this one is 5.2, and it is something like that, this one. And it has amazing like blue and red kind of color combination. It is full length suit. So these pieces are so comfortable and the fabric is so good, non-transparent, which I love, and so comfortable for summer. Now they have amazing collection in denims. Like I love this piece. This is very different. I never wore something like that, and this denim is very comfortable in summer because I can't wear denim shirts in summer, but this piece is very comfortable. It is not like denim like thick denim, but it feels like denim. It is very soothing in summer. The fitting is very good. So I'm just like, I just love to style with my black denim or blue denim. So I love this piece, especially that green color, because I have already blue denim shirt, so I'm going to take this one. Then I order one dress material. It is like semi-stitched kind of piece. It is something like that. You can see on their site also, and they have dupatta with that. So they have dupatta with this green dupatta with brocade design. So you will get the whole suit, and they have amazing embroidery on that, and that is in silk. So I love that piece. Maybe I'll take that one, but I have to stitch that because it is like semi-stitched piece. Price of the piece, let me tell you, is 18.9 because it has like salwar with dupatta and you know full anarkali, so the price is quite high. Then I order few dupattas because these are so much in trend. I love silk dupattas. I styled with my suits, so I love their dupattas, and the quality is A grade, like A+ grade. I love this quality because in dupatta you will not get that quality, but this quality is so good. So this is my haul, friends. I hope you will like it. All the prices, all the links in description box, so please check the description box. Meet you next video mein. Till then, bye, and please follow me on my Instagram. I am posting lots of IGTV videos, like makeup videos, review videos on my Instagram. So please follow me on my Instagram, and please subscribe to my channel and like this video and share if you like. Meet you next video mein. Till then, bye.